Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, we are going to learn how you can test any internal keyboard or any external keyboard using Windows. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But first of all, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. I'm gonna show you one of the best and easy method to check any keyboard using Windows. This method is working on every single version of the Windows. So what you need to do is first of all go to the link in the description down below and download this application, Keyboard Test Utility. You do not need to install this application, just double click it to open it here. And this interface will be pop up. Now in here you can see the color schema. Click on this and set it to black so it will be easily visible. Now simply enter every single key as fast as you can. And every single key is highlighted. By this method, you can check any keyboard, whether it is internal on your laptop or external keyboard you buy from any store out there. So this was a quick video how you can check your keyboard using Windows. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Must comment about this application, and thanks for